Hey there, class. Happy Tuesday. Hope you guys are all having a good one here. Okay. Yep, there we go. All right, children of Birmingham. This is what you worked on yesterday. Yesterday you had partners, and you were supposed to work on this particular story. And by now, you should have pressed a little black button up in the right-hand corner here. I don't have the little black button, but you should have all pressed it, which says turn in. Please go into Savas, everyone. If you're not in Savas already, you should be now. Get into Savas and make sure that you have submitted this assignment. You press the turn in button. You finished these two sections right here. You finished the first read chart and the close read chart, and you pressed turn in. That's what the assignment was for yesterday, and that's what I hope you've all completed. All right. Now let's go ahead and talk about what we need to do today. Today we're going to be doing two things. One of them is, it's really going to be more working on our own today. But if you're, again, the goal is if you're successful, you really can eliminate homework for yourself. And I know that that's what we all want to try to do, especially with vacation coming up. So here's the two things that I would like you guys to check out today. First of all, in your Savas area here, when you go into your assignments in Savas, you are going to notice well, it looks a little different. It actually looks different than all the other things. It's called Traveling/Children of Birmingham, and it has a different looking icon here with like a bunch of dots. That is actually a quiz that you'll be taking on those two particular stories. You'll be taking that quiz on Traveling and Children of Birmingham. Okay? Now you can feel free in this point to, I know Traveling is in your textbook, so you can feel free to use your textbook for, if you would like, for this quiz. It's fine with me. But this quiz is just a little bit longer than the usual quiz we take since it's two stories. I think there's 20 questions on the quiz. So the first thing that you're all going to be doing in class today is opening up your Savas app, going into it, and then taking Traveling and Children of Birmingham quiz. Make sure you work hard on that, do your best. Again, it is a quiz grade, so you want to do the very best you can. When you're finished with that though, because I know that even though it is a 20-question quiz, it certainly will not take you the entire period, most likely. You probably will have a good 20 minutes left over once you finish the quiz. What do you do with those 20 minutes? Well, what you do with those 20 minutes is if you go into On Campus and go to your assignments, you will notice that there are two assignments. They're both evidence logs. You will be completing the evidence log for Frank McCain Dies, and this one right here, Frank McCain Dies. And you'll be completing it for Children of Birmingham. So basically the last two stories that we read. Frank McCain Dies, remember, it's that radio broadcast, but it has a transcript. So when you go into Frank McCain Dies, if you have your headphones and in order to do the evidence log, if it's helpful for you to watch it or listen to it again, that's going to be fine. That's something that will be absolutely fine. Our substitute will allow you to do that once you're finished with the quiz. But if you're writing in quotes from this story for your evidence logs, it's very likely you're going to want to use that transcript button so that you can get direct quotes from the story right here. Okay, so Frank McCain Dies, you're going to do that evidence log, and then you're also going to do the evidence log for the Children of Birmingham. I really hope that you could potentially be done with almost all of that work when you walk out the door and when the bell rings. If you don't, though, those assignments are due tomorrow. Remember, I'm not here in person, but I am watching you guys online, and I am checking everything out. If you have questions, you can reach out to me. I will try to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. I hope you guys are having a great time. One more day till vacation for all of you. Make sure you're working really successfully today. Do well in the quiz, and then you do your Frank McCain Dies and your Children of Birmingham evidence logs. That's what you're doing today, class. Have a great day.